What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Cardano, guys. ADA. Currently, we're sitting at 251. We're up almost 3% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 79.05 billion. 24-hour volume is 4.26 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. It's my favorite app for investing. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards. They also have Crypto Earn, where you can earn incredible interest on staking your coins. And you get $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So here's a 4-hour chart for ADA. So you can see we've created a very strong level of support here at 225, which was a previous swing high. We fell out. We had our crash. We fell out of our signing triangle and the target was met. We saw a little increase in volume yesterday, but we're still waiting for ADA to really pop up and head us back up to $3 and the 0.1272 at $3.18. Now there is a bit of a bearish pattern. Of course, it may not play out here as we are seeing a bit of recovery here, but we have a head and shoulders forming. If we were to break this neckline, I doubt we would make it down to our technical target, but I will drop it in anyways here. Would bring ADA back down here to basically this level of support that I had dropped in. I'll give it a little target here. Back down at $1.89. So if you do see us break that neckline, of course, we may not reach our technical target. We are seeing a bearish divergence with Bitcoin, which I'll show you guys really quickly. So if that does play out, we may come back down to 225, that level of support here. On the 4-hour chart, we are currently in between the EMAs, just consolidating. So if I quickly show you guys Bitcoin, you can see this is the hourly chart for Bitcoin. We're creating higher highs and we're creating lower highs on the RSI. And I had mentioned in my Discord that we'd most likely hit some resistance here at 48.3. I also mentioned it in my Phantom video, and that Bitcoin looked like it was slowing down in my opinion, and that's what we saw in here. We're hitting some resistance. We're having a bearish divergence. So we may come back to test this level of support at 46.7, or if we look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour here, we may be coming back to find support along the EMAs. We're having the bullish cross, which is a beautiful signal here. So if we continue to roll over, watch the EMAs on the 4-hour. If we're able to hold them at support and we break our high, we can see that continuation. But if we do break down through the EMAs, then do target 46.7K for Bitcoin. And of course, ADA will follow. So here's ADA on the weekly chart. So I wanted to show you guys the weekly to show you that ADA is looking really, really healthy. We got a little bit overextended here. We came back, we wicked down very close to the 20 EMA, and we're currently resting on our previous swing high. So we're showing strong signs of continuation, in my opinion, and we're in a powerful uptrend for ADA. We have these future price targets, the 1.272, which we came very close to at $3.19. And you have the 1.618 for ADA all the way up at about $4.45. So we'll finish up ADA on the 4-hour chart. So your next levels of resistance, I will imagine that this level here where we hit our resistance, see the support in this area, and it's now acting as resistance. We see continuation. It's going to act as resistance once again at 275. And then basically you have your all-time high at $3.09, the 1.272 at 318. If this neckline is broken, personally, I don't see us reaching this technical target unless Bitcoin were to see some major sell-off. But I don't think that would be the likely scenario. If anything, we come down, we retest 225, or we simply consolidate, hold this neckline as support before seeing continuation for ADA up to these price targets, 275, 309, and the 1.272 at $3.18. Do watch out for this bearish divergence here on the 1-hour chart for Bitcoin. It does signify that the bulls are losing strength a little bit here. So if we do come back to test 46.7, or we simply find support here along the EMAs on the 4-hour chart, that's when you may see ADA come back down to retest this trend line of support here. I'll actually drop it in this neckline at about $2.38 or possibly $2.25 before seeing continuation. We have created a strong level of support at $2.25, and I don't think it's likely that we come all the way down to $1.89. Of course, it's a possibility, but I don't think it's a likely scenario for ADA. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Shout out to the Discord. We have over 1,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. It's the price of a coffee. You can sign up through the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to Bybit as well as Phoenix. Check me out on Instagram if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.